Good morning, students. Happy New Year. Good morning. How are you? Very happy New Year. Okay. Very good, Saptora. Okay. Today we will do the exercise 8.5, page 179. Okay. We will do the exercise 8.5, page 179. Question number 2. I am also good. Okay. Question number 2. Rashid spent rupees 35.75 for math book and rupees 32.60 for science book. Find the total amount spent by Rashid. Here it is given that Rashid spent rupees 35.75 for math book and rupees 32.60 for science book. Therefore, total amount of money spent by Rashid is rupees 35.75 plus rupees 32.60, and therefore the answer is rupees 68.35. Therefore, the total amount of money spent by Rashid is rupees 68.35. I will give your math project in the next class. Okay, Binayak? In the next class, I will give your math project. Yes, Meghumita has already answered. Very good. Next, question number 3. Radhika's mother gave her rupees 10.50 and her father gave her rupees 15.80. Find the total amount given to Radhika by the parents. Okay. We will solve the math. First, it is given that Radhika's mother, question number 3, Radhika's mother gave her rupees 10.50 and her father gave her rupees 15.80. Therefore, the total amount given to Radhika, therefore the total amount given to Radhika by her parents is equal to rupees 10.50 plus rupees 15.80, and this is equal to rupees 26.30. It is clear to everyone? Yes, the total amount of money given to Radhika by the parents is equal to rupees 26.30. Up to this portion, any problem, students? Okay, very good. Then we will go to the next question number 4. Nasreen bought 3 meter 20 semi cloth for her shirt and 2 meter 5 semi cloth for her trouser. Find the total length of cloth bought by her. Okay. First, it is given that Nasreen bought 3 meter 20 semi. That is equal to 3.20 meter, isn't it? Since 20 semi is equal to 20 divided by 100 meter, that is 0.20 meter. Up to this portion, any problem? Nasreen bought 3 meter 20 semi, that is 3.20 meter cloth for her shirt and her 2 meter 5 semi, that is 2.05 meter cloth for her trouser. Therefore, the total length of cloth bought by her is equal to 3.20 meter plus 2.05 meter. Therefore, the final answer is 5.25 meter. Therefore, the total length of cloth bought by her is equal to 5.25 meter. Now it is clear to everyone. Okay, I will repeat again. I will repeat the math again. Nasreen bought 3 meter 20 semi, that is 3 plus 20 divided by 100 meter, that is 3.20 meter cloth for her shirt, and 2 meter 5 semi, that is 2.05 meter cloth for her trouser. Therefore, the total length of cloth bought by her is equal to the sum of 3.20 and 2.05, and the final answer is 5.25 meter. Up to this portion, any problem, students? Okay. Then next, question number 5. Naresh walked 2 km 35 meter in the morning and 1 km 7 meter in the evening. How much distance did he walk in all? Naresh walked 2 km 35 meter. Now tell me, what will be the answer if we convert this into km? Can anybody answer this? If we convert this into km, what will be the answer? This is equal to 2.035 km, isn't it? Since 1 km is equal to 1000 meter, isn't it? Therefore, 35 meter is equal to 1 divided by 1000 into 35, that is 0.035. Therefore, 2 km 35 meter is equal to 2.035 km. Understand? Any problem? Yes. 2.035 Meghumita, the answer is 2.035 km. And in the morning and 1 km 7 meter, that is 1.007 km in the evening. Therefore, the total distance she walked is equal to 1.007 plus 2.035 km. And the final answer is 3.042 km. Therefore, the total distance she walked is equal to 3.042 km. Clear? The answer is 3.042. Meghumita, please check the answer. km, 3.042 km. The final answer is yes. Okay, Meghumita, the answer is 3.042 km. Next, question number 7. Rabi purchased 5 kg 400 gram rice, 2 kg 20 gram sugar and 10 kg 850 gram flour. Then find the total weight of his purchases. Question number 7. Here it is given that Rabi purchased 5 kg 400 gram that is 5.4 kg rice. Next, Rabi purchased 2 kg 20 gram that is 2.02 kg sugar. And finally, Rabi purchased 10 kg 850 gram that is 10.85 kg flour. Therefore, the total weight of his purchases is equal to 5.4 kg plus 2.02 kg plus 10.85 kg. Therefore, the total weight of his purchases is equal to 18.27 kg. Yes, total weight of his purchases is equal to 18.27 kg. Okay, in the next class I will give your math project